Today on How to Cook, I'm making my biggest burger yet. It's the double, triple, double burger, and it's crazy. And you're going to want to see how to make this because you're going to want to eat this. And the only way you're going to get to do that is if you make it yourself. The foundation of this behemoth of a burger is two 1/3 pound patties. That's 5.33 ounces each. We're going to season that up. I've got some Billy Bob's dry rub on it. We're going to pack that into a 4.5 inch ring mold, just gently packing this so that it doesn't smash it too much. Otherwise, you're going to lose all the juiciness and all the texture of the meat. So just kind of gently pack that around until it gets about flat. Put a little dimple in the middle and you've got a burger. Now we're going to need some grilled onions for this. So I've got 3 yellow onion slices that I put some olive oil on. I'm going to throw this up in the grill. I got the patties down. I'm doing the buns. We're grilling all that. Now buns take 30 seconds. Depending on how hot your grill is. My grill is hot. As you can see, the back there is even hotter. So they're already starting to burn. The onions were in front where it's a little cooler. So I'm going to move those to the back and get those really nice and grilled. This has been about 45 seconds so far, something like that. Now we're going to need 4 slices of bacon for our double, triple, double burger. Because that's part of the double, double, triple, double part. The patties get flipped. Pay no attention to that one right there. That has nothing to do with this whatsoever. Now, what's the triple part of our double, triple, double burger? Well, that would be 3 slices of cheese on each patty. Well, 3 different kinds of cheese, no less. So we're starting with an American cheese slice here. Just a standard, fluorescent yellow cheese slice. Now we've got a slice of Swiss cheese going down here. And the topper is a slice of cheddar on top of that. We're going to melt this all down, and we're going to give this about another 2 minutes. The bacon's already done just that fast. The onions are all grilled up and perfect. That's going to be incredible. Let's just turn this off now. It's been another 2 minutes, and our burgers are done. Let's assemble. So everything's off the grill. Everything's cooked. Everything's ready to go. Everything looks, what's my favorite word? Amazing. Yes, that's right. I keep using that word. All right, so we are going to use my favorite burger sauce. Yes, Thousand Island. Every burger sauce you make is going to be some version of Thousand Island. Who are we kidding? Just saying. Okay, so what do we have? We have some of my grilled onions here that are going under this. They just came off the grill. That's why they're grilled. That's how that works, people. All right, we're just putting a layer down here. We're going with our triple cheeseburger patties. Oh yeah, they're beautiful, they're amazing. And look, we have bacon. Oh no, look at all the bacon we have. However, are we gonna put all this bacon on here? It is my ultimate bacon cheeseburger, not the one that trademarked by the other restaurant with the clown on the thing. You're literally ordering from a clown. Come on. All right, a little more bacon because it's an ultimate bacony, cheeseburgery thing. So you have to have multiple layers of bacon and a bun. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Ta-da! Move this. Ta-da! Yep, that's right. Look at this thing. That is a monstrosity. We have 2 1/3-pound patties in here. We have 3 slices of cheese on each patty. We've got American, Swiss, and cheddar on each one. We've got bacon in between each thing. We've got grilled onions. We've got our super custom amazing burger sauce. And come on, that right there, you can't eat that every day. But when you do, you'll know it's a good day. And that's all we can have in this life, right? Just a couple of good days here and there makes all the rest of them worth it. So hopefully you make this burger and enjoy it. I hope so. Because dang. That's for the thumbnail, I think. That'll do it. Seriously, that's incredible. So I'm going to cut into the sucker real fast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at all the layers of goodness. Look at that dual camera. So I'm going back between each one. Ha! Okay, that's it right there. That's the ultimate cheeseburger. And I thank you for watching. And I'll see you on the next one when I do something equally stupid or wonderful or wonderfully stupid. So until then, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.